Riley Lacson, WRP 0205, Section 62, Maria Arlene Katubo. So, starting with the question, what were your expectations before your first dance fitness class? So, honestly, for me, my expectations during my first dance fitness class during this semester for this WRP 0205 class, um, my expectation was this journey of fitness class will be tough since I do not have any dance class backgrounds ever since. So, number two, describe your favorite aspect of a typical dance fitness class. So, personally, my favorite aspect of this dance fitness class journey is I think would be that I get to somehow get the confidence to dance since the environment during classes or every session are light and no one really cares of how good or bad you are in dancing as long as you're driving in and giving your own best. So, for the third question, how important is the instructor's style and personality to your engagement? So, for me, it is so important since I think most of us are just like me, that I do not have any kind of experience or background or simply a newbie in this kind of activity. And I think the light and the fun approach of our instructor did a lot for us to participate. For the fourth question, do you prefer learning complex choreography or simpler repetitive movements, and why? So, for me as a newbie, I do honestly prefer simpler repetitive movements since it is easier for me to understand and to follow on and to remember as well. So, for the fifth question, how would you describe the energy level of the class you attend? So, I would describe it as light and fun since the instructor really guided us along the way in every session and always hype us up whenever we are confused with the steps. So, for the sixth question, have you noticed any improvements in your physical fitness since starting dance fitness? Personally, I find myself improved more on the flexibility part or flexibility side of me. So, for the seventh question, do you feel more confident in your dance abilities now compared to when you started? So, answering this as a yes, since I find myself more confident of dancing, especially being in an environment like this class that I know that no one will judge me whenever even if I'm good at or bad in dancing. So for the eighth question rather, what is the biggest challenge you face in dance fitness and how did you overcome it? So for me, it is the body movement and hand and body coordination, I guess. Because I could not tell that I already overcome it. I completely, but I could say na along the succeeding experience or succeeding sessions or classes or videos, I somehow managed to get it and improve on it. So yun. For the ninth question, have you ever felt self-conscious or intimidated in a dance fitness class, and how did you deal with it? So, yes, I do definitely felt insecure at first, especially with my body, but I think I overcame it as I see my co-students as well as my instructors enjoys every session without any judgment from one another. So, yun. For the 10th question, what motivates you to keep attending classes regularly? So, I do honestly don't attend the class on a regular basis as it was sometimes conflicting with my schedule as an OJT student. But what motivates me whenever I attend is actually the new fun routines that I will be experiencing during the different sessions. So, that's what I like sa class na to, na I got to experience different kind of dances whenever I have a chance to attend a session. So, yeah. So, for the 11th question, second to the last question, how has dance fitness impacted your mental health and emotional well-being? So, for me as a student, as a nursing student, I could say it impacted my mental health in a positive way as I get the sense of accomplishment of something that I don't have any backgrounds on, and somehow tells me na kaya ko pala siyang gawin kahit papaano. Kahit busy ang schedule and kahit wala akong backgrounds in any dances or dance class. It somehow tells me na okay lang pala to struggle just like everyone else. So, yon. It somehow reminds me na to show vulnerability or to show um being it's okay to be naive in some situations like these. So, for the last question, number 12, would you recommend dance fitness to others? Why or why not? For me, honestly, yes, because it is such a big leap for an experience, especially for those na hindi gaano confident sa body nila as of now. Kasi I think here, sa class na to, during this journey, you could get to know more about yourself and even more learn about your body as a whole and learn to love it and to work with it. So, ayun. So, that's ends the question and answer. So, again, Riley Lacson, WRPO 205, Section 62, Maria Arlene Catubo.